Jane, are you with the other girls? We will be going to have a 3 days vacation in this coming Saturday. Since we have no class, be ready. Oh yeah.
May, sige na, okay lang.
Sige na. Kuna na ka ganun muna. Tapos sa kanya. Hindi. 1, 2, 3. Girls, we're going to have an outing this coming Saturday. Really?
Bakit?
Sorry, we're not coming. We have a project to do this weekend. What?
Pwede lang. Nakatulong lang naman. Hindi, Jama.
Oo.
Nakita sila. Oo nga. Nakita sila.
Ay, hindi ko napansin.
Tapos parang ayaw ko.
Hindi ko napansin.
I have a bad news. What? They're not coming.